I am Mr. Brown, a physicist, a great one for that matter. I'm here to portray on how the practical is being done based on the electricity. As you can see, this is physics practical 2023 on electricity. This is the setup for the practical. With the help of this setup, you can now carry out the experiment. This is a circuit diagram. On this circuit diagram is a voltmeter. The voltmeter moves straight to the 2 ohms resistor. From the 2 ohms resistor, there's a junction that moves straight to the cell. The cell means the battery. And from the cell to the key. From the key to the resistor box. And from the resistor box, it moves straight to the 2 ohms resistor. And there's the junction here that moves to the voltmeter. So with the help of this circuit diagram, you can follow the procedure boldly written on the board to carry out the experiment. Okay, this is the voltmeter. This is the 2 ohms resistor, and this is your resistor box. This is your cell. Yes, this is your cell. And this is your key. One very important thing about this experiment is that when the key is open, there is no flow of what? Current. But when the key is closed, there is what? Flow of what? Current. So let me put the diagram on the board to conduct or carry out this experiment. As you can see on the board, from the positive part of the voltmeter, it moves to the 2 ohms resistor. From the 2 ohms resistor, there is a junction here. This is a junction that moves to the positive part of the cell. As you can see, moves to the positive part of the cell. Okay. Apart from that, you now come to the negative part of the voltmeter. It moves to the 2 ohms resistor, and it will now create a junction. From the junction, it moves straight to the resistance box. Straight to the resistance box. From the resistance box, it moves to the key. And from the key, it moves to the negative part of the cell. Okay. Like I've said earlier, as the key is open, there is no flow of current in this circuit. So, let me fix the battery, which is the cell. Fix the battery. There is no flow of current. But once I close the key, check the voltmeter, you see that it will read. As you can see, it's on 1.9. So, based on what is written on this experiment, so when 15 resistor, that is, adjust the resistance box to 15 resistor and record the reading of the voltmeter. That means I'm going to remove 15 from this resistance box, as you can see. I'm going to remove 15 from this resistance box, and the key is closed. So check the voltmeter, you'll see that there will be a reading. Yes. Is 0.4. Okay, this is the setup of this experiment, this practical, and this is the table for this experiment. As you can see, the first 15 which I've made is 0.46, and one of the important things about it is that when the resistor keeps reducing, the voltmeter keeps what? Increasing. Thank you so much. I remain my humble self, Mr.